Hello friends, welcome back to yet another video. This is the Wandering Soul and welcome to my channel once again. So today we are going to watch a song that once again takes us back to the golden era of Hindi film music in the 1950s. This is from the movie Kathputli, which came out in the year 1957, and it was composed by the box office kings in terms of musical hits throughout the mid 50s till the mid 60s, that is Shankar Jaikishan. So the song is sung by Subir Sen, a relatively lesser known singer, but his voice has an uncanny resemblance to Hemant Kumar. So let's watch this gorgeous song. It's one of my favorites. Let's watch this song. Isn't she beautiful, Vaijayantimala? So I hope you enjoyed the song as much as I did. It's So Balraj Sahni, first coming to the song and the actors and actresses. Balraj Sahni, he was one of the most respected actors, not just of that time in general. His name is taken with a lot of respect, not only for his acting, but for his screen presence and for the kind of roles that he picked. They were very socially relevant, and they were they had very deep rooted social themes, and today those themes might appear outdated, but at that time, for a new India, and the kind of ethos that we were still looking for our country, it was a very relevant theme. And few people know that Balraj Sahni had written the story and the script for the Devanand hit Bazi in 1951, which was the breakout movie for Gurudutt, for Devanand, for S.D. Burman, for a lot of. It was a breakthrough movie for Navakirtan, pictures. So Balraj Sahni was the story and the story writer and the script writer as well, and he was recognized or known as a communist at the time. So he was in jail for a lot of the time during the when the Bazi was being written and shot. So he used to take breaks from from his jail time to come onto the sets or whatever whenever he was required, and then he was taken back. So he had that that background and that kind of renown in terms politically, his inclination. And of course everyone knows that he later with Do Bigha Zameen, he made a name for himself, and he acted in a number of critically acclaimed movies as well as commercial hits like Seema was there, Katputli was there, Do Bigha Zameen, and there were a number of other movies, Kabuliwala, and which they were very relevant themes. So they were very relevant. They were not like typical commercial fare, and yet they were very successful at the box office. And he had a good name among his peers and his future generation, and actors like even Nasiruddin Shah. Nasiruddin Shah said Dilip Kumar and Balraj Sahni were the two actors that he always admired and looked up to when he was growing up. So, and Vaijayanti Mala, obviously that was during her peak. She was the dominant heroine of the time, and I have to say she was very beautiful. She was always, I thought she was very good looking, very beautiful, even Nagin that we had seen before. So Shankar Jaikishan, they were very prolific, and they had a pulse on the people's, what the people wanted in terms of music, what they wanted to listen. So it's funny because the senior music directors of that era, like Naushad, Anil Bishwas, those C. Ramachandra, those legends, they always were not very happy with the kind of music that Shankar Jaikishan brought in, because they felt that Shankar Jaikishan brought in a new wave of music that was catering to the masses, and which was the reason for them being like the dominant commercial kings of the music industry. But if you compare to today's music directors, you will think that they had a lot more influence of classical music in their compositions, and it's funny to think that their senior music directors did not think that highly of them. But the truth is that their songs are very hummable and very melodious, and they did and to be fair to them, they did compose many classical based tunes as well. It's not like they were all the songs were catering to the masses, but they had a fine balance, like a lot of their songs for actors like Bharat Bhushan, for Basant Bahar, for example, they were heavily classical based and yet very melodious. So even Seema had great compositions from Shankar Jaikishan, like Kahan Ja Raha Hai, Tu Hai Jaane Wale, Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai. So all in all, they were very versatile in terms of their music. So I hope you like the song, and I hope you stick around. And if you do like the song, if you do like my anecdotes, and if you do like what I'm bringing to the channel, please do subscribe, please do share with other people. It will help my channel to grow. And I'll see you on in my next video. Until then, take care and be safe. Bye.